Hello everyone, welcome to Perfection Design and Remodeling video tips on how to put a trim on a shower. Some people, they start on the corners. I started in the middle, then I put everything there. And then you normally wonder what's going to happen when you have something that has so many levels, high, low, and all that stuff. How are you going to be able to make this on the corner, and then when you put the other one from this side to this, that it matches the same height on each and every one, so you don't have big gaps in between. So what you normally do is just very simple. Go to the very corner here, measure, could be this big line or this one at the bottom, that it matches this, and here leave 1/8 from the wall. Cut it with a table saw, put some tape all the way across here so that way you don't have them all split on the machine. And then when you put them here, then I'm just gonna put it there just temporarily. Then when you have the other one here, so what it does is that it follows exactly the same stone here, and then goes here. This one goes here and doubles here. So you see this black one right here and goes here. So basically what it does, it matches the same stone and then bends around, so it looks very nice on your trim. So there you go. So that's how you do it, and then you just continue following the pattern until you go to the end. You do the same thing for the end right there. And if you have any questions, just write me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching Perfection Design Remodeling tips on how to put a trim on a shower. Thank you for watching. Till next time.